Viewers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has addressed his final rally today ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. He said that not only the BJP will make everybody's dream come true, but only the BJP respects the middle class of the country. And the union budget presented on Saturday was to ensure that Modi's guarantees were fulfilled. He also slammed the Aam Aadmi Party and said that Aapda, I quote here Mr. Modi, and said, Aapda party has ruined 11 years of Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also said that slums will remain intact in Delhi and more welfare schemes will be brought. However, AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal said that people of Delhi should not fall under this trap of the BJP. Listen in.
जैसे झुग्गी बस्तियों में रहने वाले परिवारों के लिए 5 रुपये में पोषक खाना देने की गारंटी, और मैं आपको एक और गारंटी देता हूं, ये आपदा वाले अफवाह फैला रहे हैं, लेकिन याद रखिएगा, दिल्ली में एक भी झुग्गी नहीं टूटेगी।
आज सुबह से मेरे पास कई झुग्गी के लोगों के फोन आ रहे हैं। इनकी पार्टी वाले घर घर जाके कह रहे हैं कि 3,000 रुपये ले लो, चुनाव आयोग आपके घर आके वोट डलवा देगा। वो लोग कह रहे हैं आप वोट घर पर डाल देना और बदले में उंगली पे स्याही लगवा लेना, इंक लगवा लेना। ये सुना तो मेरे तो रोंगटे खड़े हो गए, क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ी साजिश है आपके खिलाफ। आपने अगर बूथ में गए बिना इनसे काली स्याही लगवा ली तो आप फर्जी वोट डालने के जुर्म में गिरफ्तार हो सकते हो। अगर फ्री के पैसे दे रहे हो तो ले लेना, लेकिन पैसे के बदले उंगली पे निशान लगवा रहे हो तो बिल्कुल मत लगवाना।
We're at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's last rally as part of his election campaign. Looking forward to the Delhi Assembly elections. As you can see behind me here, the visuals, the people and the supporters here, the BJP workers have come out, in big support for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Remember, Delhi goes to polls on the 5th of February. We're only 3 days away from the polls in Delhi at this point, and in his rally address, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made some very key points, focusing specifically onto the middle class of the, section of people. He also focused on the budget that was just released yesterday and says that this budget is the Janta's budget. It is a budget for the middle class people, and he also focuses on the Purvanchali community. A very strong statement that the PM made was that he is the PM today because of the Purvanchali community and the support that he has gotten from the Purvanchali community. This rally here in R.K. Puram is also important because he also, reached out to the Valmiki community that is very dominant in this area. With other points that the Prime Minister raised in this rally was, of course, that the Aam Aadmi Party has been ruling in Delhi for the past 11 years and has some sort of, created a state of chaos or ruin in Delhi, and that needs to change at this point. He talks about be it pollution, be it healthcare services, be it job creation, the gig economy. These are some, many highlighting points that the PM spoke about today. Let us see if we can get talking to some of the people here. किसे वोट देंगे?
बीजेपी, मोदी, I love you मुझे।
क्यों मोदी जी बीजेपी को वोट क्यों देंगे?
हम मोदी के भक्त हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी ने कुछ नहीं दिया हमें, कुछ भी। वो तो झूठी बातें है, झूठे वादे करती है।
बीजेपी नहीं किए, आपको क्या लगता है?
करेंगे।
अयोध्या राम मंदिर बनाया है ना,
अयोध्या राम मंदिर बनाया है ना।
राम मंदिर छोड़िए, आप औरत हो, आप औरत के हिसाब से बताइए हमें, आपके लिए आपको क्या सुख सुविधाएं चाहिए?
हमें सब सुख से, हमें जो भी मोदी जी ने बोला है, मैं उन पे पक्का विश्वास।
बस फ्री तो आम आदमी पार्टी भी दे रखी है इतने समय से।
कुछ नहीं, झूठे वादे।
This is the mood that we're gauging here at the rally. The women here are saying that the Aam Aadmi Party has given in false promises and that they've not done any work. Well, of course, leading on to the election day, 5th of February is when Delhi decides whether it is, the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP or the Congress being elected into power in the national capital. With camera person Ritvik, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.